and welcome to my channel. This is KB Worth Saving 101 and I am KB, Kim Baker. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I am a lifetime thrifter turned reseller. I currently resell on Poshmark, Tradesy. I started listing on shopthrilling.com and I send boxes into Thredup. So if you are interested in reseller tips and tricks, lots of haul videos, then do me a favor and consider hitting that like and subscribe button down below because someday it'll hopefully help me out. Today happens to be a Thredup Tuesday. And I think I jinx myself every week by saying, I'm not going to probably do a video next week, and then there's drama that happens. So if you are still watching me, thank you, because I am finishing out my journey with Thredup. I'm doing these so that I keep you guys updated. You know, it is what it is. But let's just dive in. Let's give you the nitty and the gritty for this wonderful week. So if you've never used Thredup before, I don't recommend you start, but and there's lots of reasons why. Just watch the old videos and go backwards, not forwards, because yeah, how it started and how it's ending is a whole nother story. This week's update is that you can no longer use your reward points for free shipping to reclaim your items. It is what it is. I don't know what to tell you guys. I will say that, you know what, you can still use your points to get maybe your $10 coupon and buy something cheap, or buy something cheap and, you know, $3 item, whatever, and then use your free shipping. You know, it's $5.99. And hopefully you just don't have a lot of stuff left. So the only way that I would ever continue sending anything in would be no expediting, no return assurance, and no, I'm not going to reclaim it. So basically it would be donation pile only kind of items. Personally, you know, for me, I don't know. I don't really think it's worth it. I have been watching a few videos with people marking their items down and what they get to mark it down to. But then you have to take in consideration, guys, that they get to use those coupons. So they're going, well, I'll make $6 on this item. Not if they use a $20 or 20% off coupon. So I'm going to choose not to, unless, like I said before. The other thing that I don't think anybody else pointed out, because I didn't see it, but because of this, I thought, well, how am I going to utilize my points then? Because I still have a few. And I went on to my rewards, and on the app, it'll actually give you like your dates of things and how, when you got them or when you've redeemed them and all that. What I did notice is I just had a box checked in. This is the second week. So 2 weeks ago, I did not receive 500 points for my box that I sent in, my kit that I sent in. So I find that interesting too. And who knows? I really don't care. I'm so sorry, guys. I am just giving you my updates. So like I said, I had 2 items that I had sold, and one of them had been in transit for over a week. I now do finally have dates of return dates that as long as they pass, I will still get my payouts for. So one is that CBR cocktail dress, 311, and this has been like 2 weeks, so that's a long time, is the date that they have on it for my $13.92 payout. Then I have a Josephine Choss blazer, and I believe it's silk. And 312 is that return date, and if it doesn't get returned, the $24.20 payout. Other than that, I had a few items go into people's carts, but nothing sold. So I have very few items there, and it is what it is. I did finally receive my last item of my returns, and this pair had sold, and I didn't open it up already because I just got home. I've been traveling, so this is these had sold and then were returned. I mean, these things are like brand spanking new. They are Calvin Klein size 8, 100% cotton jeans. And if you can see, look at this funky print. So yeah, they didn't sell. My payout was only going to be $11 and some odd cents. And to be honest with you, I really think I'll definitely get more than $11 by selling these myself. You know, I did use Thredup to my advantage, guys. How I was using it was, yeah, I like shopping. I find a lot of items. Some of the items I would get a higher dollar value for if I sent them in the past. Now that they've gone with that 50% markup only, not the 80, it's not, I won't make more by sending it into them. I'll usually make more selling it myself. You know, it was pretty much a faster way of making more money. And for a while that worked. The unfortunate part is that the best way to, you know, run your business is for you to run your business. So I'm not upset. I am frustrated, and that part of my journey is ending. And I just need to step up my game and make my business better. I'm not going to go through and just ditch all my items. I've seen a lot of people doing reseller boxes. You know, I just don't plan on doing that. I do plan on listing my items and selling them myself, putting in the work and getting the rewards. It's just going to take a little bit longer. So there you have it. There's my Thredup journey update of this week. And let's see. I might have another one next week. Who the heck knows, but I hope not. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I hope you all have a good one. Until next time, guys.